Hey y'all, it's Pika. I am happy to be back making videos again. It is a task trying to juggle everything. I thank God for the business, the overflow, but I just wanted to take time out today to talk to you all about DHT, which is dihydrotestosterone. What is that? Dihydrotestosterone really is the male hormone that forms in female and men. And when we have an abundant amount of DHT in our system, it stops the hair from growing. So the hair will still grow, but it'll grow really, really thin. The hair strands will look really, really fragile, and you just don't have that fullness to your hair anymore because the DHT is shrinking the hair. So, what causes DHT? For a few things causes, but the main thing that causes DHT is that the hormones change in certain stages of life. And so, where you may be an athlete and you work out, I want to say 3, 4 hours a day, that's on an extreme level. Your body will produce more DHT in your system, and then in turn you lose your hair because you're not giving your body enough proteins to fight off the DHT from shrinking your hair strands. And so another, um, I'm trying to think, vegetarians, for instance. Vegetarians can lose their hair as well because they don't eat enough protein. But when you work out so much, your body needs to be supplemented, or you need to make sure that you're eating the proper amount of foods to balance off the the extreme exercises that you do. And so if you start to experience bald spots, or your hair starts to thin out, or it starts to shed, and you wondering why, it's because the dihydrotestosterone, that hormone, really runs rapid, and when it runs rapid it eats the hair. And so how do I summarize that? So what does it look like when it eats the hair? So hair is primarily protein. In fact, it's 91% protein. And when the body don't get what it needs, it is going to find what it needs in the body. Hair is considered paramedical, and so we can definitely live without it. And so that will be the first to go if we have something internal, an internal imbalance going on in the body. And so I approach hair with a holistic approach, but there are different things that you can use on your head to prevent the DHT from attacking your hair, topical and internal. And so today I am going to introduce Pika Hair Care Cleansing Cream. This shampoo right here is formulated with DHT inhibitors. So what is that? DHT inhibitor, it blocks anything from attacking the hair strand on the topical level. And so it depends on the severity of your hair loss, or the thinning, or the spots, or whatever. But this shampoo will definitely stop the DHT from eating your hair or shrinking your hair, if you will. And so as the hair grows, it grows out of the scalp. But with the DHT being in the system, it shrinks the hair. This product will stop the hair from being shrinked by the DHT that runs in the system. And so you can also use this conditioner after you rinse the shampoo out, because this conditioner has amino acids in it that is going to feed the hair shaft what it needs. And in addition to this, the liquid gold has cysteine in it. Cysteine is the number one amino acid that hair is made of. This product is almost formulated to mimic what hair is. And so when you use this, with this, you're giving yourself a double conditioner. And you can also leave this in your hair as a leave-in conditioner, especially if you're wearing like natural hair, or if you doing twist outs, or if you're doing rod sets or any type of updos, this product right here will actually strengthen your hair from the inside out. The combination together is a double whammy. The main ingredient in this product is glycerin, and we know glycerin feeds the hair. And so it's a win-win. Stop the DHT, give it the conditioner that it needs, and you're on your way to healthy hair. But if you have a bald spot in your head, then you'll need the Elixir Hair Growth Serum. This serum is fast acting. This serum right here will grow your hair back, your edges back, bald spot back in a minimal of 30 days. If you use it twice a day for 30 days, you will definitely see a difference in the thickness of your hair, the moisturization of your hair, and just the total texture of your hair. Pika Hair Care products are formulated with hair in mind. They have the amino acids, the fats, the proteins, anything that you can think of to feed the hair is in Pika Hair Care products. But in addition to these four products are designed to stop the hair from breaking off and to regrow the hair. Now I have a Moisture Complex shampoo. Now this shampoo is designed for that person that just have that really, really dry hair. If your hair is really, really dry, you will want to use this Moisture Complex after you use the cleansing cream. This is the #1 shampoo. You follow up with the cleansing cream, and then you use your Moisture Complex conditioner. Top it off with some liquid gold, which is right here, which is cysteine. It is one of the #1 ingredients and the #1 proteins that hair is formulated in, and then as well as the elixir oil for bald spots, thinning edges. These products are designed to regrow your hair. So visit pikahaircare.com, book a consultation at thegaro.com/Hair Forte Salon. I am here to help. I have many solutions. This is just 5 of the many that I have. It just depends on the severity of hair loss that you are or someone that you know are experiencing. Contact me. I am available to help. 1-888-243-1319. Thank you. Stay tuned.